Hey guys, are you looking for an easy keto appetizer for the holidays? Well, then you're going to love my cheesy spinach squares. They're easy to make, full of great flavor, and the best part is, no one will know they're keto friendly. And we can all use more easy in our lives, am I right? Now, the holiday season can be so busy that sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves. We're running around doing things for other people, we're going to holiday parties, and it's easy to forget about proper nutrition and hydration. And that is where Element comes in. It can really help you stay on track. This delicious drink mix has the perfect balance of electrolytes that helps your body function properly. Element is fabulous for the keto diet since it has no sugar, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors. You can see the clear difference. So if you're feeling some of that holiday fatigue, or perhaps you overindulged a little last night, this tasty electrolyte drink is for you. It helps relieve headaches, sleeplessness, and muscle cramps, and it can get you feeling back on track for the busy holiday season. Right now, Element is offering my subscribers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any Element order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/dreamaboutfood. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinkelement.com/dreamaboutfood. Should I do one more? I really like it. It's so good. Now to start, we want to take 10 ounces of frozen spinach and let it thaw. And once it's thawed, you want to squeeze out as much moisture as possible. Just make sure to get out as much as you possibly can so that your spinach squares don't get soggy. Oh, God, that's cold. Oh my God, it's like painfully cold. And once you have that nicely drained, just set it aside for now. Then we want to take 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And we'll just stir those together until they're combined. Then we're going to stir in 6 ounces of grated cheddar cheese, and I like to use sharp white cheddar for added flavor. Next, our eggs. I've got 4 eggs here. Oh, caught it. Then I'm adding 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Just whisk all that in together. Now you can add your nicely drained spinach. Get all the bits in there. And I've got 4 slices of chopped cooked bacon, and I'm gonna add 1/2 of that in. You just wanna mix everything in until the bacon and the spinach is well distributed throughout the batter. Now you just wanna take your batter and spread it in an 8x8 greased metal baking pan. And you wanna make sure you spread your batter nice and evenly in the pan. And then you can take the rest of your chopped cooked bacon and sprinkle it on the top. 1 for me, 1 for the spinach squares. 1 for me, 1 for the spinach squares. Now I will tell you that the bacon is completely optional. If you want a vegetarian appetizer, just leave it out. Now you want to take your spinach squares and put them in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. You want the edges to be lightly browned and the top to be set to the touch. The spinach squares are done, and I have to tell you how amazing my kitchen smelled while they were baking. Savory deliciousness. So we're going to cut into them. You do want to let them cool for 15 to 20 minutes so that they hold together a little better. But I want to show you what they look like inside. We'll just get one of these out of here. Oh, coming out beautifully. Look at that. So good. And it's still warm, but it's not too hot, and so I'm just gonna bite right in. Those make me happy. Yummy, yummy. I don't care if they don't love the dancing, because I'm dancing anyway. These are fun, they're easy, You can double the batch if you want to make them for a big party. You can use them for breakfast or sometimes even a dinner side dish. They're delicious. For this easy keto appetizer idea and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.